must pay homage to him.
So today I'm going to be doing something different, juicy, fruity, fruit of the loom, whatever you like to call it. I'm going to do a makeup look inspired by my ethnicity. So if you don't know, I am Jamaican and Italian. So I'm gonna do the Jamaican Italian flag, and yeah, I hope you guys like it. So first I want to start out and I want to do the Italian flag, I think, and I'm gonna do it on this eye. This might be a long video, so I'm probably not gonna do like my full face on camera, y'all know. So yeah, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be right back just to see what it looks like. All right, so it's green, white, and red. The first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this e.l.f. C brush and I'm just gonna pack the green on that side. So I'm gonna take this dark green right here, and it's called Express Yourself, and I'm just gonna take that right here. So I'm just gonna make sure I pack it to the opacity. All right, so I'm gonna leave that like that, and I'm gonna go in with a red, my fantastique palette, and I'm going to take this color. It's like a red color, and I'm just gonna also pack that on there. Yeah, that's looking, it's starting off to look really okay. This side wasn't hard at all. I don't really feel like I want to blend it because I like it like that. I feel like it's really opaque and pretty, so blend that down the middle, and I'm gonna take a glittery close to white shade. So I'm gonna go with my e.l.f. Prism palette, and I'm gonna take the closest to white shade. I'm going to take it down with this. For some reason, I'm digging it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm digging it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this, blend it out right there so it's not so harsh. I don't really care about the red, say per so, but I really do care about this green. I want the green to pop, look luxurious. So you guys like that? Okay, so I've decided to put a white on my waterline. It's gonna look cute at the end, so okay, but this is a challenge supposedly. It's like your ethnicity, obviously. So I'm also gonna do another challenge, and it's gonna be a 5-minute challenge. It was requested by another YouTuber, and I like the idea. But this is the first eye. It's the Italian side, so I'm gonna show you guys up close. So I told you guys I wanted this to be like more like blended, so I'm just gonna do that right now. I'm just gonna take some more green and I'm just gonna, with this eye, I am gonna have to do it's the Jamaican flag. It's gonna be hard. There's gonna have to be a yellow X, green, and black. So I'm just gonna take this one like that. Okay. I'm trying to make this work. And I'm just gonna I did it. So it's not as perfect as I would want it to be, but that's perfectly fine. We got this. So I'm gonna draw 6. Okay, we got this. We got a little black right there, but we have got this.
We must pay homage to him.
I don't know why I didn't. I really truly thought this was gonna be easy. I'm gonna take the same green color that I took before and place it in the area. I think that the spots that are not concealed or black. I'm gonna go first with my Lemonade Craze palette, and I'm gonna take the color Lemon Craze, and I'm going to take this really small packing brush with some more wet concealer. I'm gonna try to put more yellow. Yes, so I'm gonna go do my full face of makeup, and then I'm gonna put some lashes on, and I'll be right back. Okay y'all, so I am back and I am better than ever. I feel like I'll be so cute with big lips. Look, I overlined my lips today and I'm starting to like it. Like, I should do this more often. But yeah, so I did my full face. I also finished and put on my lashes, but I'm just gonna do a little touch ups to the eye makeup because, you know, whatever, just to make it look all better in my opinion. I really like the look. I know a lot of people won't like this look. It's not about what other people like, it's about what you like. So yeah, so I want to thank you guys for all watching, and please give this video a thumbs up. Let me show you guys more up close.